For hundreds of years, human beings have stared up at the night sky and asked big questions like, why are we here? How did the universe begin? And are there any aliens?
Maybe you've thought about these things too, and if you have, you are definitely not alone. For the last 20 years, an amazing team of scientists and engineers have been building a space telescope that might just help us answer those questions.
It's called the James Webb Space Telescope, known as Webb, and in this workshop we are going to find out what it is, where it's going, and what it is hoping to find out.
My name is Ranald.
And I'm Fran. Welcome to Destination Space, beyond the visible universe.
If we're going to understand what the Webb telescope is, we need to start with the most important question. What is a telescope? Why do we use them? Pause the video and have a quick chat about what you think telescopes are used for and what you might see using them.
Telescopes have lots of uses, but one of the main reasons we use them is to collect as much light as we can from the stars, planets and galaxies that make up our universe. Our eyes are pretty good, we can see quite far, but when we look up at the stars, all we can see are tiny dots. Telescopes can do much better.
So we now know that Webb is going to gather lots of light. But weirdly, it's not the type of light that we humans can see. It turns out there are lots of other types of light in the universe, many of which we can't see.
For example, there is infrared light. That is the type of light given off by warm things, but it's also used by your remote control to speak to your TV.
We also have microwaves, another really useful type of light that we use a lot for cooking. Weirdly, the thing that heats up your food is just another type of light, but not one we can see with our own eyes.
Gamma rays are the most energetic type of light. They can be very dangerous and are made in the most explosive events in the universe, such as this star exploding in a supernova.
Next up, X-rays. X-rays are a really important type of light for doctors. They use them to see inside of us.
And then there are radio waves. These are used by all sorts of things like TVs, mobile phones, Wi-Fi and radios. Let's have a listen.
Ultraviolet light is a type of light we'll have all experienced on a sunny day. Too much of it can cause sunburn, but it's also used by spies to reveal secret messages.
Last but definitely not least is visible light. It's the only type of light that we can see with our own eyes, and it includes all these colours.
So those are all the different types of light that exist in the universe. We've got gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet, visible light, infrared, microwaves and radio waves. And together we call them the electromagnetic spectrum. All these types of light are just different flavours of the same thing, waves. And we've got telescopes around the world looking at each flavour.
Hubble is currently our most advanced space telescope, and it looks at visible light and ultraviolet light. The Cosmic Background Explorer, known as COBE, is another space telescope, but it looks at microwaves to see if it can paint a picture of how the universe began. And here in China is the world's biggest radio telescope, a massive dish 500 metres across, trying to detect signs of alien life.
Webb will be an infrared telescope, however, used for looking at how stars and galaxies and planets are made. We'll be discussing why it uses infrared later in the workshop, but for now we've got some activities for you to try. See you soon.